Let us move to the base 4 counting system and how do we multiply numbers within it. So base 4 we have 0, 1, 2, 3 as the symbol. So in base 4 the place values are of course patterned like this. So this first this column here is all 1 and of course that's fours. And 4 fourths is 16. And I guess you can guess what's coming after. So let's say we have one group of 16s, three groups of fours, and two groups of two ones. Multiply by 3. These are all in base 4. So 3 times 2 is 6. Can we write 6? No, we can't. So we have to transform 6 into base 4. So here, how many 4s are there in 6? We got 1, remainder 2. In other words, it could be written in base 4 as 1, 2 in base 4. So that means one group of 4 and 2 outside. So the answer here would be 2 times 3 is one group of 4 and 2 outside in base 4. Now let's go on to this column here. 3 groups of 3 is 9. Still the same, we need to transform that into base 4. And to do that, we have to ask how many 4s goes into 9. So your answer would be 2, remainder 1. In base 4, it means 2 groups of 4s and 1 outside, which can be written in base 4. So 3 times 3 is 2, 1. Yeah. So 2, 1. That means it will be 2 in here and then add 1. So put 1 in here, but you have another extra 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Yeah, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we're going into the last one. 3 times 1 is 3. Can we write 3? Yes. Yeah. But then we have to add 2. That should be 5. Yeah. Can we write 5? We can't. So we have to ask the same thing. How many 4s goes into 5? We have 1, remainder 1. Or one group of 4 16s, right? Really? And 1 outside. So 1, 1. So your answer here is essentially 3 groups of 3 times 1 plus 4 is 1, 1. Okay. 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5, which can be written as this 1, 1. And this one we bring that one. Now, so in here, this means 2 1s, 2 4s, 1 16s. What's the next one? Yeah, what this one represents? So it's essentially is 4 groups of 3. That this 4 times 4 times 4, which is 60 fours. So it'll be 1 64s, 1 16s, 2 4s, and 2 1s. Now, how for our sake in here, what is this in our decimal system? So this one in our decimal system would be, look, 1/64. Yeah. So 64 plus 1/16. So it'll be 64 plus 1/16. Yeah, that will be 64 plus 16. This will be 80. Yeah. Yes. So 4 plus 6 is 0. Carry 1 yes. That's 80. Then 2 fours will be plus 8. And 2 ones will be 2. So this one would be 88. This will be 90 in our decimal system, yeah, in our current system. So 1122 in base 4 is equivalent to 90 to ours. So that's really uh, what it all means. So let's keep moving on. So we don't have to put this in. Yes, we just assume that you know the values, the place values in base 4. Okay, let's try another one, and a little bit complicated. It's 212 in base 4 times 10 in base 4. So 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. And 0 times 2 is 0. Now, this one's here, yeah, because we always add another 0. And we have 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 times 2 is 2. So it's quite straightforward. And then we add those. We have 2, 2, 1, and 2. So it's so straightforward when it's double digit sometimes. So 212 times 10 is this. And so, let me give you some homework. So the homework would be, what is 321 in base 4 times 2? The other one would be, what is, where we can't use 4. So what is 2031? This is in base 4 multiplied by 1, 2. This is a little bit complicated, but yes, let me know your answers in the comment section below.